Chapter 1. Unboxing. Whether you're exploring the Midas III-Plus Automated Stainer or setting yours up for the very first time, let's begin with unboxing the unit. Inside the box, you'll find the Midas III-Plus Automated Stainer unit and assembly items. The components include power supply cord, reagent wells, a 20-slide rack carrier, and reinforced tubing for a water supply connection. These components include everything you need to set up and achieve superior staining performance with the Midas III-Plus. Chapter 2. Accessories and add-ons. Enhance your lab's workflow with the Midas III-Plus accessories and add-ons designed for flexibility and efficiency. A key add-on is the recirculating water bath, ensuring a steady water supply when clean water access is limited. Additional accessories include multiple sizes of reagent vessels with lids. Sizes include 300 ml full-size and 150 ml reagent-saving sizes for lower volume tests. Extra slide carriers are available in 10-slide, 20-slide, and 30-slide capacities. A cover slip carrier is designed for blood smears. A plastic enclosure with a sliding door minimizes dust contamination while allowing easy loading and unloading of the Midas III-Plus. These options all allow for greater flexibility and efficiency in your laboratory staining processes. Chapter 3. Machine Walkaround. Let's explore the key features of the Midas III-Plus Automated Stainer. From the front view, user-friendly keypad and display. This is where you can program and run staining protocols with ease. A rotating arm. This holds the slide rack securely for automated staining. Reagent wells. Holds up to 4 different staining reagents. Water rinsing station and drying station. Ensures efficient and thorough staining results. The back view. Water bath inlet. Used if the Midas III-Plus water bath is required. Water supply inlet. Used when connecting to a local water source. Only one inlet should be used at a time. Drain tube. For proper waste management. GFI outlet. To be used with the Midas III-Plus water bath only. Power cord inlet plug. On and off switch. To power the machine on or off. Now that you're familiar with the key features of the Midas III-Plus, let's move on to preparing your lab space. Chapter 4. Lab space requirements. A proper setup starts with the right environment. Ensure your lab meets these requirements before installation. Countertop support. A sturdy lab-grade countertop that can support at least 100 pounds or 45 kilograms. Unit dimensions. Length, 53 centimeters. Width, 45 centimeters. And height, 38 centimeters. Weight, empty and dry, is 28 pounds or 13 kilograms. Weight for shipping, 60 pounds or 27 kilograms. Utilities. A reliable water supply with pressure no higher than 75 psi. A grounded electrical outlet. Proper ventilation where necessary. These conditions will help ensure optimal performance and longevity of your Midas III-Plus Automated Stainer. Chapter 5. Assembly. With everything in place, it's time to assemble the Midas III-Plus Automated Stainer for optimal performance. Place the Midas III-Plus unit on your prepared countertop with the keypad facing forward for easy access. Connect the reinforced water tubing to the appropriate water supply inlet. Ensure the drain tube is properly positioned for gravity drainage into a designated waste container. Plug in the power cord. Double-check all connections to ensure everything is secure. Power on the Midas III-Plus and begin your staining protocol setup. Chapter 6. Water Bath Setup. For labs using the Midas III-Plus water bath, here are the components you will assemble. Water pump inlet fitting, water pump unit, water bath filter, tub housing, power cord cutout for the pump, tubing cutout section in the housing, water supply tubing. This connects the pump to the Midas III-Plus. And the drain tube. This recirculates the water back to the bath. Before use, the water bath system must be primed for proper function. Follow these steps. Activate valve test in service mode 9. Set the flow rate to 2,000 milliliters per minute. Repeat the process until the water is visibly circulating through the system. Once water is flowing, press Stop. Verify that the water drains freely back into the Midas III-Plus water bath. Your Midas III-Plus water bath is now ready for use. Chapter 7. Programming a staining protocol. Once your Midas III-Plus Automated Stainer is set up, you can customize staining protocols to fit your lab's workflow. Follow these steps. Power on the Midas III-Plus and press the Program button. Select a program number to create a new protocol. Input the protocol steps. Follow the instructions for use from your staining kit and assign each reagent well, timing, and agitation settings. Customize up to 29 steps per program to match your lab's workflow. Press Stop to save the protocol settings. Your Midas III-Plus is now ready to execute your customized staining protocol. Thank you for choosing the Midas III-Plus Automated Stainer. With its advanced automation and customizable protocols, your lab can achieve consistent, high-quality staining results. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please refer to the user manual or contact our support team. Enjoy precise and efficient staining with your Midas III-Plus Automated Stainer.